Aduh, kenapa ya kepalaku pusing?
Kenapa teman? Kok kamu kayaknya sakit kepala?
Iya, yang saya pusing, Bang.
Oh, jadi kamu sakit kepala?
Iya, sakit kepala, pusing.
Tenang, saya punya obatnya. Minum autan.
Oh, autan.
Iya, minum aja autan. Ini cepat menyembuhkan sakit kepala dan pusing. Ini.
Oh iya, teman. Oh iya, teman. Akan ku coba nih, teman.
Ya, minum aja.
Aku minum ya.
Ya.
No.
Wah, ternyata khasiatnya sangat ampuh. Kalau sakit kepala, minum autan.
Kalau sakit kepala dan pusing, minum autan. Kita berdua minum autan.
Minum autan. Bila gila berlanjut, hubungi dokter.
Come up, I'm getting excited already. And whether it was going to affect the likes of Lorenzo's front tyre. We saw it in Phillip Island. Will we see it again here in Sepang? Here comes Rossi. Rossi up the inside of Marquez. He'll take no prisoners, and the roar is wide, but not enough. It's going to be
hold it.
a shootout down to the left-hander. Rossi holds it. Marquez wants it. These two, no love lost anymore. It's a straight war between these two.
I did not expect to see that.
You
See Marquez lose the rear
Marquez
there.
lost the rear. He got on the gas and round it went. We've seen him down his elbow.
He's got problems. You can't
tore-
knock that.
He tore his elbow out in qualifying. If you saw that particular footage, it was unbelievable. He should have gone down. He didn't go down. And now Marquez is chasing Valentino Rossi. Rossi limits the damage that Lorenzo is inflicting at this point.
In terms of the points, Rossi's wide.
Oh!
Rossi's wide, but he holds
He
it.
does indeed.
I thought the Hondas would be off, and we'd be talking about Rossi versus Lorenzo.
That was, of course, the smart money. We're through turn 12. We're on to turn 13.
Thank you.
On to turn 13 now.
Lorenzo's closing in on Pedrosa.
Pedrosa. I wonder where Danny sits in all of this.
Danny would just like to win a couple more.
Yeah, his first pole for some time, over a year for a moment. Let's look down on what's going on at the moment. Dovizioso still in 5th place. Crutchlow is still 6th. Bradley Smith up to 7th. That's a good ride for
stuff,
Bradley at the
yeah.
moment. He's qualified, didn't his qualifying went badly.
Duh, kenapa wajahku jadi berminyak begini? Kenapa jadi jelek begini? Ya jelek sih, emang jelek.
有什么形式？哎，这昂色，昂色，样式蛮笨。你这昂色，样式昂色呀，是。
Ini, haha. Oh, Jonah, chưa đã anh sư, no 形式啊。
昂色，
啊，anh sư啊，anh sư đi chứ anh sư.
yang mana tak mah?
Ung su,
Masa?
masuk ah, masuk.